No, I don't.
Tell me, what do you want?
I want to get the Magic Railroad
Okay.
DVD.
Hmm.
Should I tell you the important part is
Yeah.
about the Magic Railroad that I think is
Yeah.
Diesel and was chasing Thomas and Lady, and then the two engines, Thomas and Lady.
Lady.
Lady and Thomas were not that heavy for the broken viaduct, but Diesel 10 was. He went down in a barge, but Thomas said in the wooden railway show. Thomas said he might have escaped from the barge.
Okay.
About the rolling lady.
Okay.
And that's the whole story. Hi.
Hi. So you know the story, right, Kaustubh?
I know some parts that I want to watch.
Okay. So what is a viaduct? You said a viaduct, right?
A viaduct is a broken part or something.
Broken part of something?
A broken part.
Okay. And what's a barge?
A barge is a boat.
Oh boy, you use very difficult words. Where did you learn these words?
In Thomas.
Thomas? Okay. And so what do you want me to do? That you already know the story. So what do you want me to do?
Let's go to the library.
Okay.
And
Look at me.
and I'll need help for the top. For the top, if you find it, say Thomas.
Okay.
And now, so you're going to help me find it. You look up and I'll look down.
Okay. Good plan. Okay, let's ask your mommy, okay? If we can go or not. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Yesterday.